Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I'm gonna open it up this seat cushion, this portable seat cushion for camping or hiking, going to the beach or going to the park or a picnic that this brand sent to me for this video for the first time. You can see it comes with this bag, so it's super portable. But the thing of this one is that it seems that it's super easy to use. So you remove this over here, nice and easy. And then you have this two. With now, one is going to be kind of like the back support, and the other one is going to be the seat support, the tushy support, let's say. So it comes with this valve over here. I mean, you can use the kind of like the air pump, the electric pump if you want, but I'm pretty much sure that this one is also super easy to inflate. By the way, it actually seems to be really nice and cushioned just without even inflating it, and it comes with this kind of like locks the button just to put it against the other one, and it's also waterproof, of course. So let's actually do this. All right. That's it. That's everything you need to do. It took me probably like, I think it may have been like 90 seconds or something like that. By the way, this is kind of like the wide one, but you can actually put this one, flip it and make it to be a longer one. You know, if you want to kind of like, do a little bit of sunbathe or something like that. But this is going to be the one for, like a regular chair, I would say. So then let's now suppose that we are actually going camping and we don't have anywhere to sit. So this, oh wow, this is actually pretty cool. Both right here on my back, but more than anything, right here on the cushion. You know, it's supporting all my weight, and I don't feel like that I'm sitting on the floor at all. Like I don't feel like I'm sitting on the floor at all. This is actually pretty cool. Super portable, easy to use, as you saw, inflate in just seconds. And then you pop up a chair, a cushion, and you just like don't feel like you're sitting on any type of floor, the ground, sand, gravel, grass, whatever. I like it. I do recommend this one actually.